In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a daily reminder card in Trello. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a more seamless way to manage daily tasks without needing to constantly set reminders, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process so you can effortlessly automate reminders for your tasks and streamline your daily workflow. Let's dive right into the steps to get this automation set up. Start by navigating to your Trello board, where you'd like the daily reminder to appear. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a lightning icon. Go ahead and click on this to open up the Animations and Automation section. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize and control your tasks with ease. Once you're in the Animations section, direct your attention to the left side of the panel. Here, you'll find an option labeled Scheduled. Click on this to begin creating an automation that will trigger at a specific time each day. The scheduled option is particularly useful because it allows you to set up reminders that follow a consistent and predictable routine, which can be a real game changer for your productivity. Now, let's set up our trigger, the defining action that will kickstart your automation each day. Since our aim is to have a daily reminder, you'll want to choose the option Every Day. This means that the action you select next will happen every single day without fail. After selecting Every Day, it's time to choose the specific time of day when the automation will occur. For our example, let's set this to 7 a.m. By 7 a.m., Trello will perform this action for you, allowing you to start your day with all the necessary tasks right in front of you. With the trigger ready, we can now move on to defining the action. This is where you instruct Trello on what to do at the scheduled time. In our case, we want Trello to add a new card, which will serve as our reminder. Select the option to add a new card, and you'll be prompted to enter a card title. Here, you can name your card whatever best suits your needs, something relevant to your task or reminder. For example, you might title it Morning Tasks or Daily Review. Next, select the list on which you'd like this card to appear. You might have a dedicated list for daily reminders, or it could be a general to-do list, whichever works best for your organizational style. Finally, once you've set the title and chosen the list, head to the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully set up a daily reminder card in Trello that will now appear at 7 a.m. each morning, helping you keep track of your daily agenda effortlessly. This simple automation will save you time, increase your efficiency, and help you maintain a stress-free workflow. Happy organizing!